Welcome to Make English Easy, Real English Conversations. I'm Emma, and this is Alex.
Hey everyone!
Ready? 20 questions. You have to answer every single one before Alex does. Don't think too long. Don't use your own language. Just open your mouth and speak. This is how you build real fluency. Fast answers, real English, no stopping. So, get ready. We're going to test your fluency right now. Let's go. Part 1. Easy start. These are simple questions. You know the answers. Just say them fast. Answer quickly. Don't think too long. Here we go. Question 1. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Is that your full name?
No, my full name is Alex Carter.
Did you answer? Great job. Question 2. How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Do you feel old?
Not really.
Question 3. Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Good. Keep going. Question 4. What do you do for work?
I work in an office. I'm a graphic designer.
Do you enjoy your job?
Mostly, yeah.
Answer quickly. Question 5. Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Do you want to get married someday?
Maybe. I'm not sure yet.
Did you answer? Say it louder. Question 6. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Are you close to them?
Yeah, pretty close.
Great. Question 7. What language do you speak at home?
I speak English at home, but my parents sometimes speak Spanish.
Do you speak Spanish too?
A little, not very well.
Don't think too long. Question 8. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's his name?
His name is Max.
Question 9. What is your favorite color?
I like blue, dark blue.
Why blue?
It's calm. I just really like it.
Good answer. Last one in this part. Question 10. What do you usually do on Sunday?
I usually relax at home and watch TV.
Do you go out, Al?
Sometimes, not always.
Amazing work! You finished part 1. 10 questions done, 40 to go. Are you answering out loud? I hope so. Let's keep going. Part 2. Daily life. These questions are about your habits and routine. A little more detail this time. Answer quickly. Say it out loud. Here we go. Question 11. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning.
Is that easy for you?
Not really. I'm not a morning person.
Question 12. What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee. Sometimes eggs if I have time.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Yeah, sometimes when I'm in a hurry.
Did you answer? Good. Question 13. How do you get to work?
I usually take the subway. It's faster than driving.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
Answer quickly. Question 14. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich or a salad, something quick.
Do you eat at your desk?
Yeah, most of the time.
Question 15. Do you exercise regularly?
I try to. I usually go to the gym 3 times a week.
What do you do at the gym?
Mostly weights and a bit of cardio.
Question 16. What time do you finish work?
I usually finish around 5 or 6 in the evening.
Do you work late sometimes?
Yeah, when there's a deadline.
Question 17. What do you do after work?
I usually cook dinner or order food. Then I watch something on TV.
Do you cook every night?
Not every night, maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
Question 18. How many hours of sleep do you get?
About 7 hours, sometimes less.
Is that enough for you?
Honestly, no. I'm always a little tired.
Don't think too long. Question 19. Do you drink coffee or tea?
Definitely coffee. I can't start my day without it.
How many cups a day?
2 or 3, usually.
Last one in part 2. Question 20. What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 or midnight.
Do you look at your phone before sleeping?
Yeah, I know I shouldn't, but yes.
20 questions done. You're halfway through part 2. Are you saying your answers out loud? Keep going. Part 3. Social life. Friends, plans, and free time. These feel more like real conversations. Answer naturally. Here we go. Question 21. Do you have a lot of friends?
Not a lot, but I have a few really close friends. I prefer that.
Quality over quantity?
Exactly, definitely.
Answer quickly. Question 22. How often do you see your friends?
I usually see them on weekends, maybe once or twice a month.
Do you keep in touch online?
Yeah, we have a group chat. We talk a lot there.
Question 23. Do you prefer going out or staying home?
I prefer staying home, honestly. I like being comfortable.
Are you a homebody then?
Yeah, totally. Pretty much.
Question 24. What do you usually do on Friday night?
I usually go out for dinner or meet friends for drinks.
Do you stay out late?
Not really. I'm usually home by midnight.
Question 25. Do you like meeting new people?
I like it, but it can feel a little awkward at first.
Does it get easier?
Yeah, after a few minutes, it's fine.
Did you answer? Good. Question 26. What do you and your friends talk about?
We talk about everything: work, movies, sports, random stuff.
Do you ever talk about serious topics?
Sometimes, yeah.
Question 27. Have you ever traveled with friends?
Yes, we went to New York together 2 years ago. It was really fun.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely, I'd love to.
Small gatherings.
I prefer small gatherings. Big parties are a little overwhelming for me.
Why is that?
Too noisy. I can't really talk to anyone properly.
Question 29. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to go for a walk, maybe see a movie, or just chill at home.
Do you ever go hiking?
Not really. I'm more of a city person.
Last question in part 3. Question 30. Are you closer to your friends or your family?
Both really, but I think my family knows me better.
That's a good answer.
Yeah, I think so too.
30 questions. You are doing so well. Are you still saying your answers out loud? If not, start now. Say it louder. Part 4. Opinions. These questions ask what you think and what you like. Give your honest answer. Quick answer. Don't overthink it. Here we go. Question 31. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies and thrillers. I like stories that keep me guessing.
Do you watch horror?
Not really. Not a fan.
Question 32. What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. Classic pepperoni pizza.
Is there any food you hate?
I really don't like liver. I can't stand it.
Question 33. Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather?
I prefer warm weather. Not too hot though.
What about winter?
I don't mind it, but I prefer summer.
Answer quickly. Question 34. Do you like traveling?
Yeah, absolutely. I love exploring new places.
Where do you want to go next?
I really want to visit Japan.
Question 35. Do you think technology makes life better?
Mostly, yes, but sometimes it's too much. Too many distractions.
Can you live without your phone?
Probably not. Not easily.
Do you prefer reading books or watching TV?
I prefer watching TV. I don't read as much as I should.
What are you watching right now?
A crime drama. It's really good.
Question 37. Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
The city. I like having everything close. Restaurants, shops, events.
Would you ever move to the countryside?
Maybe when I'm older. Not now.
Question 38. Do you like learning new things?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's important to keep learning.
What's the last thing you learned?
I started learning a little about photography.
Question 39. Is money important to you?
It's important, but it's not everything. I prefer to have enough rather than a lot.
Is happiness more important?
For me, yes, definitely.
Last question in part 4. Question 40. What is one thing you want to change about your life?
I'd like to travel more. I feel like I spend too much time at work.
Are you going to do something about it?
I'm trying to. Working on it.
40 questions? You are incredible! Seriously, great job. Now get ready because this next part is going to be fast, really fast. This is part 5, the fast round. No time to think. As soon as you hear the question, say your answer immediately. Don't pause, don't translate, just speak. Alex is ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 41. Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Sweet or salty?
Salty.
Question 42. Morning or night?
Night.
Summer or winter?
Summer.
Question 43. Dogs or cats?
Dogs. Easy.
Movies or series?
Series.
Beach or mountains?
Beach.
Car or public transport?
Public transport.
Cook at home or eat out?
Eat out.
Call or text?
Always.
Question 46. Android or iPhone?
iPhone.
Music or podcasts?
Music.
Question 47. Early bird or night owl?
Night owl. Definitely.
Work from home or go to the office?
Work from home, no question.
Question 48. Plan everything or go with the flow?
Go with the flow.
Save money or spend money?
Save. Mostly.
Question 49. Busy life or quiet life?
Quiet life.
Big city or small town?
Big city.
Last one. Question 50. Are you ready? Here it is. If you could only speak one language for the rest of your life, would you choose English?
Yeah, absolutely. English opens every door.
I love that answer.
It really does. Learn it and the world gets bigger.
50 questions. You did it. You just completed the 50-question English challenge. That is amazing, and you should be so proud of yourself. Did you answer every single question out loud? If yes, incredible. If not, that's okay. Now you know what to do. Here is your challenge for this week. Replay this video every single day. Try to answer faster each time. And every time you replay it, your English will get a little better, a little more natural, a little more fluent.
Seriously, the more you practice, the faster you get. Don't just listen, speak every single time.
Exactly. Practice every day and your English will improve, not just a little, a lot. And don't forget, try to answer faster next time. Set a goal, beat your own speed. That's how fluency is built. One question at a time, one answer at a time, every single day.
And if you want more challenges like this, we have so many more episodes waiting for you right here on this channel.
Subscribe to Make English Easy so you never miss a new episode. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. And if this video helped you, share it with a friend who is also learning English. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for speaking out loud. Thank you for pushing yourself. We'll see you in the next one.
Keep going. You've got this. See you next time.